Do you remember when Naruto swore to never abandon Sasuke? Even if they broke his entire body? He said it from the heart, with his body almost destroyed and his spirit intact. Even after taking blows, even watching Sasuke sink into darkness, even if they break my arms, even if they rip off my legs, even if you rip off my head, I will still stop you. That wasn't just a sentence. It was proof of an unshakable friendship. Naruto never fought to defeat Sasuke. He fought to save the friend he swore to protect. Who would do that for you today? Naruto taught us that you never give up on the ones you love. Do you think this friendship was worth it? Comment here and subscribe and follow me if you liked the video.